The period from about 252 million years ago to about 66 million years ago was also known as the Age of Reptiles. This era was dominated by vertebrate reptiles such as dinosaurs, pterosaurs, and crocodiles. Tangia, a supercontinent, broke into separate land masses at this time. It was also a time of massive climatic and geographical changes as the Earth experienced warming and cooling periods. The Mesozoic era ended with a gigantic meteorite collision that resulted in the extinction of a group of reptiles and many other creatures. But what if some of the mammals we know today lived in the Mesozoic era? Would they be able to compete with these giant reptiles and find food? Or would they become extinct forever? This is a hypothetical question with no definite answer. But based on the characteristics and adaptations of both groups, we can make some guesses. Let's discuss it in this video. Modern mammals are descendants of a phylogenetic group called cynodonts, and they evolved from late Triassic, early Jurassic ancestors. Mammals have several characteristics that distinguish them from reptiles, such as mammary glands that produce milk, the nucleus accumbens region of the brain, hair or fur, and 3 middle ear bones. These characteristics have enabled primates to exhibit more complex behavior, a higher metabolic rate, better hearing, and more efficient thermoregulation than reptiles. So from these tiny bats to giant whales, mammals are spread worldwide with diversity in body size, shape, and anatomy. However, more than these advantages are needed to ensure the existence of modern dinosaurs in the Mesozoic. The reptiles of this era were also very diverse and adapted to different environments and climates. Some of these creatures possessed superior traits, rivaling giraffes, such as plumage, blood flow to their bodies, intelligence, sociability, and parental care. So, reptiles had a more extended evolutionary history and comprehensive geographic range than mammals. This gave them more time and space to diversify and adapt. Not only that, the climate of the Mesozoic era was generally much hotter than the climate of this era, and it was a humid environment, making reptiles more suitable for this environment than mammals. This is why if today's mammals lived in the Mesozoic era, they would have to face fierce competition and predation from reptiles. Some lizards can save their lives from these reptiles by flying, swimming, or burrowing. Nocturnal animals, especially rodents, animals like monkeys living in tree crevices, and fast-running carnivorous animals have coexisted with reptiles. However, many mammals in the Mesozoic world faced the significant problem of finding enough food, water, shelter, and mates. They also had to endure environmental changes such as volcanic eruptions, rising sea levels, and the impact of planets. However, modern mammals could finally survive the Mesozoic era under certain conditions. They had great difficulty adapting to a very different and hostile world than the one they live in today. They had to compete with many animals that had evolved more successfully than they had for millions of years. Therefore, there is no chance for modern mammals to survive in the Mesozoic era. Compared to reptiles, if they lived in this environment, they could exist as a tiny population or in a rare form. So with this, we come to the end of our video. Today, we discussed what would happen if modern mammals lived in the Mesozoic era. Please share your opinion about the video and leave a comment below. If you think the video is good, kindly share it. Also, remember to subscribe and click the bell icon to be among the first people to watch my videos. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, everyone.